When I found out I was dead, my biggest complaint was that no one had told me. I thought, and correct me if I'm wrong, that you're supposed to have a guardian angel for these sort of things. You know, a friendly spirit guide. I seriously hope heaven has a complaints department, because they'll be getting a strongly worded letter about my deathly experience.
Oh, it's so good to see you, darling. Sorry I never visited you in hospital, I was so busy. Are you still giving me the cold shoulder? They weren't even my cigarettes, I was holding them for a friend, I told you that. Now do you know what? Fine, ignore me, I might as well be dead anyway.
This is how my story changed from tragedy to the world's greatest romance. After being ignored completely, I decided to treat myself as 3 miles from friends. This, as usual, will be today. In the first period was Mrs. Mills' maths class.
Okay, everyone got into those equations, and if you don't finish before the bell, finish them for homework. Okay, class, so you all understand? Okay. Freddie Bird. Freddie Bird. How dare you fall asleep in my class, young man? Do you think I got up in the morning to come in here and teach
This
like
is
you?
where we fell out
You will never amount to anything.
forever.
Honestly, but I have to put up with from
Since
this
that
class.
day, she's always
Freddie
had a
Bird,
personal
you
vendetta
just bring
against
down
me.
the tone of the whole class.
Okay.
Right, everyone, if you turn over the page 70, you'll see at the top it says the foil method.
Sorry about this.
Sorry, everyone. Let's continue. Now, using the foil method, in order to simplify the equation, we need to separate the different parts.
She's got a squirrel, isn't she, mate? Miss, can you send my report card, please?
I need good behaviour points all week so I can go to Alton Towers next month, so if you don't mind.
I don't think you'll be needing that.
Is this where you have your wicked way with me, miss? Because I've got chemistry with Mrs. White and, well...
Freddie Bird, after everything that's happened, every word that comes out of your mouth is pure cheat.
Will you please just send my card already?
You don't know, do you?
Know what?
What happened to you?
Am I being suspended again? Look, I never started that food fight. They needed a leader in the past the trenches. I was only helping out.
Can you remember anything about last Friday? I hate to be the one to tell you this, but there was a car accident.
Miss, I think I'd remember if I was hit by a speeding car.
I think you know what happened, Freddie.
Okay, so I was hit by a car, but look, there's no scratches on me. I'm still a total babe magnet.
Haven't you noticed that everything's a little bit different lately? Freddie, you died on Friday.
Shut up, as if.
Freddie.
No, wait, no, hold on. So I'm dead, big whip to do. How come I can't see heaven or hell or the Grim Reaper? How come I can only see your ugly mug?
Dead or not, boy, you will be polite and respectful in my classroom. I often see people I have known that have passed away. It's a gift. I know it's abnormal.
You want to talk about abnormal? You are insane and you belong on Most Haunted.
That boy will be the death of me.
And this is where I stayed for like 3 hours. I figured that if you were really a ghost, then the best way to test it is by going somewhere you shouldn't be. But I've watched 3 gym classes change now and nobody's noticed me at all. I was beginning to feel a bit upset actually. I mean, I was clearly invisible, which meant I could spy on hot girls. It was great at first. I didn't even know ghosts could get a raging boner. But the novelty starts to wear off after 2 hours, really. That's what happened. That's what gave my life a perfect one. And then it wasn't hard. I don't know how, but I knew in that instant that the only way to move on to the next life was to tell her how I felt. I bloody hate tuna mayonnaise. Why would they serve my most hated sandwich filling at my funeral? It's like they never loved me at all. Everyone wants a chance to go to their own funeral, right? Well, I have to say, I'm very disappointed by the turnout. Only 180 something. Surely I've touched more lives than that.
Good crowd.
Yeah, he was a good boy.
I was loved there. Are you powering up?
I'm doing okay. Turning his room into a yoga studio.
I wanted to do something to show my mum that I was moving on, but I didn't really know what. Sadly, it turns out Ghost Google isn't really a thing. But then I remembered my mum went to see a psychic after my gran died. That crazy lady told her that white feathers are a symbol of a loved one watching over you. Hopefully this is enough feathers to let her know that I will always watch over her. And I'll always appreciate everything she's ever done for me. So here's my plan. Step 1. Sure, I'm watching over her with some beautiful flowers. The best part of being a ghost? No money. I can just take whatever I want, when I want, and nobody seems to notice. Step 2. Share a private moment where I can tell her how I really feel.
how it got there. It just...
Do I just not get women?
And step 3.
I should have told you every single day that I love you. I need to hold you.
It's happening all the time. I can't... See? See, it's things like that, Mrs. Miller, all the time. I keep getting gifts and notes from him. It's horrible. Who would pull a prank like this?
A horrible and sensitive person. That's who.
I liked Freddie. I did. He was sweet. But I can't get over this until these pranks stop. You have to help me, miss.
You're that miss. She called me sweet. I think I'm in there.
I'll do the best I can for you, Rosie.
Thanks, miss. I should go.
Cheer up. It'll be over soon.
So, did you miss me?
Why are you tormenting that poor girl?
Because my soul cannot rest until she knows that I am in love with her.
Freddie, you've got some imagination. It's a wonder you didn't do better in English.
Miss, you have no idea what it's like to be a ghost in this world. No one to love you, no one to hug you, no one to kiss you.
Fine, yes, it's all very sad.
Anyway, I need you to tell her that I'm in love with her because she's just not speaking my language.
No.
Please.
No.
Miss.
No.
Please.
No.
Please, miss.
No.
Please, miss.
Alright, just get out.
Magic. Bring the candles tomorrow. We're going to have a seance. See it.
I don't believe this. You expect me to believe that a dead No. Okay, if it really is Freddie, how many fingers am I holding up?
6.
6.
Lucky guess.
2.
2.
5.
5.
She's flapping me the bird.
Rosie Hart, I'll have none of that in my classroom.
Sorry, it's just, if it is Freddie, what does he want with me?
Tell her that I've always thought she was a total babe.
I'm not saying that.
Oh, go on.
What's happening?
He says that you are the most beautiful girl.
Close enough.
He did?
Tell her that I've always loved her.
He says he's always loved you,
And I always will.
and he always will.
Well, tell him that I always sort of liked him too. But... Oh God, this is so weird.
He can hear you.
Freddie? You're a total nutter. Only you would do this instead of going to bloody heaven.
I just needed you to understand how I felt before I go.
He needed you to understand before he could go.
That's so sweet. And I'm so sad that you died.
Yeah, me too. It bloody sucks.
I felt that.
Let's keep it PG, Freddie.
Miss, you ruin all the fun. Would it be cliched if I say I could see a light right now?
Can you see a light?
Yeah, it's by the window. Can you not see it?
I can't see a thing. Are we done here?
What? Is he leaving?
I think it's time.
Well, yes, off you pop.
He's saying goodbye.
I think it's time for me to go, babe.
I think it's time for him to go. He says he hopes you're happy. Can we wrap this up?
Right, okay then. Before I mellow in self-pity, Rosie, you're amazing. I hope you have a good life.
He says goodbye and he hopes you have a great life.
Goodbye, Freddie.
Thanks, miss.
Good luck, you crazy boy.
And that's the story of how I died and got to heaven. Who knows what's waiting for me up there with the big cheese? But I can at least spend my eternity in peace knowing that I...
How can I see you?
Don't worry about it, babe. Dying's not so bad once you get used to it. But I'll help you out. Thank you, Jesus. What a result.